It's your boy Uzi Efizzy. I love you guys so much. Thank you very much for coming back to this channel. Man, I love you guys so much. Today I just did a very simple recipe on fish. Yes, I don't even know what to call this fish thing I did. But it's crispy. Guys, you love this. Try it at home. And don't forget to visit our website, Efizzyfoods.com. Subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Guys, I love you guys too much. Why am I always saying guys? Guys. I don't know females here. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.